Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to talk all things Gizzdodo. For your ingredients, the first thing you need is gizzard, you need some bell peppers, you need chopped onions, you are going to need some spices, use whatever you have at home, and lastly you're going to need some fried chopped plantains. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my blender and I'm going to place my diced bell pepper into it and blend it dry. Guys, I'm going to blend it dry because I don't want too much water, so I can reduce my cooking time, because my aim here is to try to get this cooked as fast as possible. So once I'm done blending, I'll be back to tell you guys the next step. The next thing I'm going to do now that I am done blending, I'm going to get a clean pot and I am going to pour my pepper mix into the pot, and I'm going to cook for about 20 minutes to reduce the water content even more. Guys, I'm going to do this off camera because I didn't have my burner to show you guys real time, but I timed, so 20 minutes you should be perfect and you should have a thick paste with less water. So once that is done, I'll come back to tell you guys the next step. So while my pepper mix is cooking, I am going to start to season my gizzard because I want to cook it so it's soft enough to go in the mix with the plantains. So I'm adding my spices and I'm just going to add some water, just enough to cover my gizzard, because I want it to cook and I want the end result to come out with as little water as possible. I'm going to mix in and I'm going to take off cam and cook for about 25 minutes. That's as much time as you need to get the gizzard cooked enough before you make it into the gizdodo. So once that is cooked, guys, I will come back and tell you the next step. And guys, this is how you want your gizzard to look when you're done cooking it. I am going to go in with some olive oil, just drizzle a bit on my gizzard, and following that I am going to go in with some onions. Guys, I love my onions. I'm going to be generous with this. You can adjust how you like at your discretion. You can even omit if you don't like onions, that's fine. You will still get a bomb result. Following this, I'm going to add my thick and luscious pepper mix. So guys, look at how thick that looks. It's 20 minutes to make it look like that. I'm going to put this all into the pot with the gizzard and I'm going to mix it all up. At this point, guys, I am going to go ahead and taste my mix to make sure that everything is fine, and then I'm going to go in next with my plantains. Guys, this is a very important stage for me. I have to make sure that the plantains are drained before I go ahead and put them into my gizzard and pepper mix. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and mix it all up. And this is the final stage, guys. This is gizdodo that will come out very luscious and not dry and tacky. This is something that you can use as a side meal. You can use this as a meal on its own. In short, let me not even blow my trumpet right now. Guys, once I'm done mixing this, all I have to do is cook this off camera for about 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it. So I'll see you guys when I'm back. And here you have it, guys. Your gizdodo is fully ready at this point. Guys, I threw in some carrots because I wanted a splash of vegetables. Feel free to modify this how you like. You can try it out exactly as I did. A side note to mention, gizdodo can be served as a meal on its own. It can be served as a side. It can be served as a snack. You can eat this in place of a sauce with potatoes, yam, name it, guys. I call this an all-rounder. I really hope you get to try this out. share with your loved ones. Let me know how it tasted when you tried it. If you modify or take out anything, I would really love to know what you did differently. Until my next video, guys, please remember to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you know firsthand when I update my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.